Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitscrunch token. Ticker symbol is Bcut. Now this token is getting at least two huge central exchange listings coming in the next couple days here. We're going to go over the information on the Bcut token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it was just announced, is getting two brand new central exchange listings. The first big central exchange it's being listed on is called Kucoin, and the second one is called Gate. So basically for Kucoin, it says world premiere. This is a tweet from 9 hours ago on Kucoin's Twitter at KucoinCom. It says world premiere new listing, the Bcut token gets listed on Kucoin. It says it is now open. Trading started, or actually no, it says now open, but then it says for deposits. Only deposits are open right now and only on the ERC20 network. So just be aware of that. This is a cross-chain token on Polygon and on Ethereum, but it says ERC20 network is open now for deposits, but it won't be actually listed for trading, like purchasing, until February 20th at 13 hours UTC time. So that's when it'll be listed on Kucoin. And also, this token will be listed on Gate. So it was announced here that trading will start exact same time, it looks like. February 20th, it says 1 p.m. UTC time, which is 13 hours. So, same time, this token's on Gate and Kucoin, February 20th, 13 hours UTC time. So, you'll be able to get this token by funding your, or first of all, you have to either download Gate or you can download Kucoin from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol Bcut, and then simply just buy the token. So, there's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. They're on Polygon Scan and on Etherscan. It's a cross-chain token. So how the token is split up here, the token allocation distribution, it says 10% goes to seed round, 10% private round, then we got 3% strategic round, 7% public round, 1.5% goes to airdrop phase number 1, 15% team tokens, 2% advisors, 5% security buffers, 7% growth, 6% additional development fund, 5% listing and market making, 10% network bootstrapping and reward pool, 0.5% additional airdrops, and 18% ecosystem. And they all have different vesting periods with different cliffs and whatnot. So check that all out on their webpage, Bitscrunch.com. That's where you can find all the info. And if you want even more detailed information, they have a white paper available on their webpage as well, which is a very lengthy 40-page white paper with a super tiny print. I mean, you could read it for a long, long time. But just in a nutshell, on their webpage, they have all sorts of categories, too. They have a light paper as well if you want to read less. But they also have API catalog, white paper, light paper, blog articles, analytics, lending, DeFi, fraud detection, compliance, They have documents. They have a network here where they talk about network stats, ecosystem status, operators, consumers, delegators, contributors, indicators, community section. You can launch their application, or you can click on book a demo and book a demo and see what's going on here. So they say our vision is to empower the global Web3 ecosystem to create a better, safer, and more transparent future for NFTs. Our mission, by creating the most comprehensive NFT data insights and forensic tools available, Bitscrunch aims to power the global NFT economy in eliminating fraud, wash trading, and providing the most accurate value for digital assets. A non-fungible token, or NFT, is is a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data stored on the blockchain. The digital and distributed ledger NFTs can be used to represent anything from photos, audios, videos, etc. NFTs are promising technology, and trading volume of NFTs has grown since 2020. And as the volume and the hype in NFTs continues to increase, it definitely attracts more attention from bad actors. So that's what they're trying to solve here. So they have their problem statement here, and they talk about rampant wash trading, price and values of NFTs, digital art forgery. So their solutions here. The solution to the challenge of analyzing NFT sales data lies in developing a platform capable of gathering and enriching data for NFTs, ultimately providing more accurate and reliable metrics. And so the following, it says, are some of the topics that they're going to address on the platform. Number one is NFT analytics and metadata. Then we have NFT wash trade analytics, NFT price estimation, NFT portfolios, NFT authenticity checkers, NFT copyright protection, NFT collection ratings, and NFT market index. So Bitscrunch decentralized network will address NFT sales data analysis challenges by gathering and enriching data using advanced computations, AI, ML algorithms, using on-chain and off-chain sources. This will be a community-driven network that allows developers to contribute algorithms and features, improving its robustness and versatility by providing reliable statistics, accurate valuations, and identifying fraudulent activities. The networking empowers users to make informed decisions with potential applications beyond NFTs. This decentralized platform can continuously evolve to meet the market's changing demands. A lot of the benefits of decentralizing is facilitating enhanced transparency in data aggregation and dissemination processes, eliminating information bias and censorship for unbiased data access, implementing a trustless and permissionless framework to access the data, encourage extensive community collaboration to support continuous growth and innovation. So there's tons more information. Obviously, like I said, there's like an insanely long 40-page white paper if you want to review that, but we already went over tokenomics, everything, what this project's all about. So check this all out. It's getting 2 big central exchange listings. I'm sure you could also get this token soon, or if not now, on Uniswap or QuickSwap or any of these decentralized exchanges. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.